So I'm here today with this beautiful reddish brown unit, y'all, and I am freaking in love. Look at the color, look at the kinkiness, look at the density. Y'all, this wig is everything and some more. Okay, let's get into it.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
So today's hair is from Unice Hair. I'm going to sit here and let y'all enjoy this unboxing because y'all, they always send over the goods. I do have the reddish brown 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is a kinky textured wig. It is a kinky straight wig. And the density is 150. Y'all, I don't know the inches of it, so please check the description section for accurate information in regards to this wig because I don't want y'all missing out. So check down there. So this is the hairline up close. As you guys can see, this pre-plucked. Y'all, the knots are super duper thin, which I love. I believe the lace is transparent though, so you will have to tint it, and this is just an up close texture shot. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. This is actually a personal preference of mine. You do not have to. I'm using a cup of bleach and a cup of developer, and I'm gonna mix it until I get my toothpaste consistency. Look at the hairline. Y'all can see that this hairline looks perfect inside out. Like I said, this wig is great for beginners because you really don't have to do nothing, but if you just want to, you know, do a little extra, you can do this stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this out all over the lace, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, but of course I'm eyeing it because the bleach that I use and developer I use processed a little fast. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go in and rinse the bleach off of the lace frontal. You want to make sure you get all of that bleach out of the hair because if not, it'll still be processing and you just do not want that. So once everything is rinsed out, I do follow up with shampooing the hair, and I really just shampoo the frontal and let the shampoo just, you know, run down the hair shafts. I also take my brush to detangle it as well, and you know you got some good hair when the brush just glides right through. But be sure to detangle your hair before you actually wash it as well to prevent tangling. So now I'm just going to go ahead and condition the hair, and I love to let my conditioner sit in for some time. So yeah. So now I'm going in with Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum, and I'm applying this all throughout the hair. I also use Paul Mitchell's shampoo and conditioner as well. But now I'm just going in with my Revlon blow dryer, and we're just going to blow dry this bad boy until she is dry. I love to blow dry my hair when I'm doing like a silk press blowout because I just feel like it, you know, gets the job done. But as you guys can see, I love the texture. As you can see, it's still a lot of kinkiness, and me blow drying it out, it doesn't, you know, take away from the actual texture of the hair. This is a good wig, y'all. Look at that. So full, nice, soft, bouncy. So we're gonna go in and a flat iron this hair. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the whole process, but I just showed you guys a little sections of me doing this. And like I said, it doesn't, you know, alter the texture of the hair. You still have a lot of kinkiness to the unit. Now this is optional. You don't have to straighten it out. You can wear it in this blow dried state, but I just wanted to go in and, you know, give it a little silk press. So we're done that section, and look, y'all, the texture is just everything to me. The color is everything, and this is what the hair looks like once I fully, you know, straightened it. Look at that. Y'all see all that luster and shine? I'm here for it. Lastly, I follow up with my hot comb just to make sure everything is, you know, super duper straight. I love my roots to be straight, flat. That's just what I do. So I just wanted to show you guys also the hairline, because like I said, if you don't know how to plug, you do not need to plug this unit, because look at this. They did a dang good job. Okay. So anyway, I'm just going to go in and do a little bit of plucking of my own. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out this section here and then hot comb it in the downward motion. And then I'm going to push the rest of the hair back into the hairline. After I do that, I do take my tweezers and then I just pretty much just pluck. I don't know how to explain plucking, but this is pretty much what I do until it's to my liking. Okay. So now it's time to install the hair. We're using my handy dandy ebon lace spray. This is the Supreme version, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray the middle section of my hair because that is what I'm going to be laying down first. I go in with some cool air and I keep touching it with my finger or tapping it with my finger to make sure it's tacky. Once it's tacky, I'm going to go ahead and align the wig up into the place where I've placed the lace spray. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it and make sure everything is aligned. And once it's in place, I go ahead and push it down with the back of my comb. And then I proceed the same steps all throughout the hair. So yeah, like I said, this lace, or I don't know if I said it already, but the lace is transparent. So I did went ahead and tint the lace off camera. I will leave the product that I use to tint the lace as well. But as you guys can see, this lace is giving. So off camera, I did go ahead and secure down the other side, but look how good this looks. Y'all cannot tell me nothing. I don't care. I don't care. So anyway, y'all, we're going to get that extra melted by using the elastic band, Unice it over, and we're going to let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I finally restocked up on my favorite cream foundation to define my middle part. And we just go ahead and take an angle brush and place the product there. I didn't want it to be too bright or too yellow or too warm. So I just used a little bit of product. I actually mixed the two shades together. But anyway, y'all know I'm doing baby hairs. Y'all probably saying, girl, why? Because, you know, I'm extra all day, every day. So now I'm taking some of my Sebastian hairspray and I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bump. Use the back of my comb to, you know, really get that set in there. I like a little, you know, oomph towards the top of my units. But if I wanted to wear it straight, this is what it would look like, okay? Super duper pretty, y'all. I love it. So lastly, of course, we have to test out this unit to see what it would give with some curls. So I'm taking my T3 curlers and we just putting some pretty curls in here and I'm gonna brush them out and, you know, pretty much call it a day. So the color is a 1. Everything on this unit gets a 10 out of 10 for me, okay? A 10 out of 10. One thing I loved about this hair, the color, it didn't bleed in the sink, and y'all saw that when I was washing the hair. So it just gives on so many levels, y'all. Tangling was non-existent. I didn't experience tangling at all. I did get a little bit of shedding here and there, but that is expected. But overall, y'all, this unit is gorgeous. The volume, the color, the lace, the knots. I am here for this unit. So if you guys are interested in checking out this unit for yourself, don't forget to check in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.